Seek out the blankets and the feather bed. Home goes the rover, his journey's over. Yield up the nighttime to old John O'Dreams. Yield up the nighttime to old John O'Dreams. Across the hill the sun has gone astray. Tomorrow's cares are many dreams away. The candle's dying, the stars are flying. Yield up the nighttime to old John O'Dreams. Yield up the nighttime to old John O'Dreams. Both man and master in the night are one. All things are equal when the day is done. The prince and the ploughman, the slave and the freeman, all find their comfort in old John O'Dreams. All find their comfort in old John O'Dreams. Sleep it comes, the dreams come running clear. The hawks of morning cannot reach ye here. Sleep is a river, flows on forever. Your boatman, choose old John O'Dreams. And for your boatman, choose old John O'Dreams. When midnight comes and people homeward tread, seek out your blankets and your feather bed. Home goes the rover, his journey's over. Yield up the nighttime to old John O'Dreams. Yield up the nighttime to old John O'Dreams.